Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a very interesting topic. The name is electric field and electric potential. And our learning objective is difference between electric field and electric potential. To understand electric field, I ask question. Is there any force of attraction? Is there any force of attraction between small pieces of paper and balloon? Tell me answer. Yes. Okay, I will tell. Yes, there is a force of attraction between small pieces of paper and balloon. Why? Because when we rub this balloon on nylon cloth, then there is a production of charges on surface of balloon, and these charges has its own electric field, and these electric field apply the force of attraction on small pieces of paper, because these pieces of paper have their charge. Okay, means what it is? A electric field is force per unit charge, force act on the charge. Okay, we are representing as a capital E electric field. So it is what? Force per unit charge. Again, to understand the concept electric potential, I take here one example. So one boy is here, one boy is here who is trying to push a big spear on the hill. He is trying to push a big spear on the hill. The work must be done. When he do work, then and then spear will be pushed. In the same way here, the unit positive take charge, unit positive take charge move from one place to a particular point. Here particular point is P. These unit positive take charge move from one place to particular point. It is called as electric potential. In our book, it is given that were done in bringing unit positive take charge from infinity to that point. That point means the point which is in electric field, because this electric field is positive, and this means we are assuming this is positive, and this opposing this positive take charge. Okay, means to overcome this field we have to do work. Here same, to overcome this slope we have to do work. Okay, so it is what? Work per unit charge. V is what? Electric potential. It is a work per unit charge. So tell me, what is the unit of electric field? What is the unit of electric field? By using the formula you can tell. Ah, correct. What is that? Newton per coulomb. It is a Newton per coulomb. SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of charge is coulomb. Tell me, what is the SI unit? Here it is SI unit. Okay. And what is the SI unit of electric potential? Tell. By using the formula. Anybody? Correct. It is what? Joule per coulomb. SI unit. SI unit is joule per coulomb. Work unit is joule, and charge unit is coulomb. Actually, it is what? It is a derived unit. It is a come from formula. So, what is the actual standard unit of electric potential? Yes, anybody? Okay, I will tell. The unit of the another unit we are saying, another standard unit of electric potential is volt. It is what? Volt. It is volt. Okay. Again, I will ask one question on diagram. First of all, I will draw diagram and ask you question. Okay. My question is that it is a charge produces its electric field in outward direction. It is a charge produces its field in outward direction. Tell me, where is the electric field more? Where is the electric field more? It is a more near to the point, near the point, or it is more away from point. It is a more near the point, or it is a more away from point. Correct. Good. It is a more near to the point, because the field density, or we are saying density of field line, is more near the point, and density of field line is less away from point. Therefore, electric field more near the point, because density of field line is more near to the point. Okay. So tell me, what is which is here vector and scalar? Electric field is scalar, or electric potential is scalar, or both are vector? Which one is scalar? Which one is vector? Tell. Anybody? Correct. Electric field is what? Vector. And electric potential is scalar because this is force. Understand? It is what? Vector, and this is a work. It is a scalar. Okay, good. Again, one question for you. Uh, I think you heard this word at a particular shop. Which volt? Where? In which shop you heard this word volt? Or you are, generally we are using this word in that shop. Anybody? Correct. In mobile shop. In mobile shop. When we purchase the charger, we say what? Give me charger of 5 volt, give me charger of 10 volt, give me charger of 25 volt. Okay, what is that? It is a electric potential. It is a electric potential because charger is doing work to move charge from charger to battery of mobile. Charger is doing work to move charge from charger to battery of mobile. So it is electric potential, and the unit is volt. So these are the concept. And tomorrow we will see a very important point: difference between EMF means electromotive force and potential difference. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Thank you. Thank you so much.